Prepare for a financial revolution, as XRP is on a meteoric rise that may see it reach heights of $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024. This isn't just hyperbolic rhetoric, though, it's based on a huge development. The upcoming introduction of an XRP ETF depicts this dark rock. The financial titan, who previously presented a profitable Bitcoin ETF, is now focusing on XRP and has an incredible track record of getting almost every ETF proposal they've submitted approved. BlackRock's entry into XRP is groundbreaking, but there's more. BlackRock isn't the only one. Making waves, Grayscale is also entering the market. In addition to suggesting an XRP exchange-traded fund, ETF, they have included XRP in their cryptocurrency portfolio. This emphasizes the growing importance of XRPs and Ripple Labs in global transactions. Before delving deeper into today's topic, let us briefly discuss BAS. Please click the like button for me. I only ask for a small favor in return. Turn on that notification by subscribing. Click the bell to join our amazing community. Let's explore the fascinating world of XRP and see what's new lately. Further analysis of the data reveals that BlackRock, the world leader in asset management, has an almost flawless reputation for ETF approvals. The way the traditional finance sector views digital currencies has changed significantly as a result of BlackRock's venture into cryptocurrency and Web 3.0. Remember that BlackRock has an incredible 99.8% ETF approval rate, which makes it an unstoppable force in the ETF landscape. Understanding the big picture is crucial in this situation, as major financial players like JP Morgan and BlackRock haven't just been eyeing XRP, they've been actively accumulating its reports. The nearly perfect approval record for ETFs is a testament to their unequaled expertise in navigating the financial market. According to a leaked document, these giants have put more than 7.5% of their entire wealth into XRP. A recent, carefully researched article even alluded to BlackRock's potential change in emphasis. Completely switched from Bitcoin to XRP, indicating a substantial change in their approach to investing. This action suggests a spike in interest in XRP, making the prospect of a BlackRock-backed XRP ETF more likely than ever. However, this is where things get even more interesting. A new development in the XRP saga has revealed the existence of an XRP ETP. Who created it is still a mystery, but its existence is a necessary step towards the creation of an ETF. Reports indicate that, despite having been launched, the XRP ETP is still in the pre-release phase, valued at $0, but is expected to be unveiled soon. More rumors are making the rounds. When we put this into perspective, especially considering Bitcoin surged to $43,000 even before its ETF launched, about the simultaneous launch of an XRP ETF aligning the debut of both the ETP and ETF, this parallel release not only makes sense but also underscores rapid progress towards the ETF potentially following just weeks after the launch of a Bitcoin ETF. The potential for XRP is enormous. Once the ETF is released onto the market, we might see an explosion in XRP's value, perhaps reaching $1,650 or even $2,500. Listen up, folks, the XRP ETP has already launched, so this isn't as crazy as it sounds. This paves the way for the launch of an XRP ETF in just a few weeks. Vale, a financial giant, officially released the XRP exchange-traded product, as many of you may not be aware. This means that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission will likely approve the XRP ETF soon. Yesterday's article, based on a leaked BlackRock report, hinted at the potential imminent launch of an XRP ETF. This leak suggested that an ETF filing for XRP was imminent, and to further heighten the anticipation, a leading BlackRock analyst confirmed in the open that a BlackRock ETF would be launched explicitly. They even mentioned the iShares XRP Trust in connection with an ETF filing that initially raised doubts about XRP. When I checked this out for myself, I saw that it was mentioned there. According to the Delaware List of Corporations website, this breakthrough highlights the similarities. XRP's market presence is undergoing a seismic shift that may resemble or perhaps eclipse the moves observed in the Bitcoin ETF. Recent studies have revealed an important advancement in cryptocurrency. JP Morgan and BlackRock have each purchased more than 7.5 million XRP, demonstrating their institutional involvement. Not merely by hoarding XRP, BlackRock is spearheading the cryptocurrency movement, but also by utilizing the XRP ledger in their business practices and, most significantly, by moving forward with the public introduction of an XRP ETF. Given BlackRock's almost perfect record of ETF approvals, the possibility that the XRP ETF will be approved, there is a very high green light. We set a target price of $983,000 for those who are building the Republic of Palau's digital currency on the XRP ledger and integrating the XRP ledger into their systems, because we cannot overestimate the influence of an XRP ETF on its value. This situation offers a perfect example of high volume, high demand, and limited supply, which naturally leads to an XRP coin's value skyrocketing, a subject that has been the talk of the town lately. Is this how some people perceive my optimism? They have a point when they argue that XRP is just a pipe dream, but here's what I have to say: I wholeheartedly support this theory. This is an extremely potent material, so I am constructing a massive roll, lighting it, and taking a deep breath of it. I firmly believe so. When things are hard and you're hanging on, if you're not on board with hope and thinking, I hope it's a lifeline. That's all simply wishful thinking, which is perfectly okay, but let's encourage one another instead of seeing that as a drawback. Anything less than that feels like throwing tokens into thin air, and that's not what my motto is all about. We're here to stay. Positively speaking, I'm enjoying the thought-provoking discussions and opposing viewpoints that each of you has shared. It's truly stimulating. Someone brought up the idea that institutions don't always need to buy XRP, leasing is already an option. It's quite intriguing, isn't it? I had an idea: what would happen if ordinary investors were the only ones purchasing XRP? I looked into this and even questioned ChatGPT about how many transactions the SWIFT system processes per day. The astounding response was more than 1 trillion. Keep in mind that this only accounts for international trade. It does not take into account the derivatives market, which is worth quadrillions, smart contracts, NFTs, or tokenized assets like real estate at this point. Consider how XRP might be involved in each of these domains, but let's focus on a few. If we take that $7 trillion and decrease it to less than half, that amount would only apply to international trade in the region where SWIFT works. Let's imagine what may occur if XRP, yes, XRP and Ripple have really raised the bar here, had 1,700 connections and were only going to manage $3 trillion of them. That would imply that the system must hold at least $3 trillion in value per day. According to our earlier discussion, it's reasonable to assume that some of these connections will invest in it. On that day, this scenario could potentially push the value of XRP to over $150 per token, so it's clear the value is bound to rise. Even if institutions opt for leasing instead of purchasing, the system's activation can cause values to surge beyond $150. Take a moment, because if XRP manages even half of this market, that is, the full range of bank transfers, we're talking about well over $100 per coin. Let this idea calm you down. Perhaps while sipping an adult beverage, consider the possibilities of this hopium vision. The world is full of amazing opportunities, but keep in mind that I am not a certified financial advisor. These videos' material is only meant to be watched for enjoyment. I always advise viewers that before making any financial decisions, they should do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks. If you liked the video, please tune in. Would you kindly give it a thumbs up and remember to click the subscribe button as well? Ensure that the notifications are turned on to be the first to know about the introduction of fresh content that I'm eager to watch. I hope you enjoy the upcoming video.